Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notifications to stay updated on the latest videos on my channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your folders, or how to create a new folder and how to hide the ones you have created if you want to hide anything or a file on your system. And we can just head over to the your Windows and click on New. You're going to see folder. Click on New and see the folder and just name it um New Guy, or let's leave it at NF though, for your preferred terms. And then you're done. When you click on this folder now, you're going to really see everything inside the folder. Now, assuming there are things you have that you want to skip here, this is empty, there is nothing inside here, you can just drag and drop it here. Assuming you have a picture, you have a document, you have videos or anything that you just want it to be in this folder, you can easily drag and drop. I will make a separate video on how to put files there if you want, but this is just how to hide your folder. Now what you're going to do is to just click on the folder and click on show more options. Now when you click on show more options, you're going to see properties. When you click on properties, you leave it at this minus and put it at hidden. You understand? Just take a clear look before you proceed with this. Just this is solely for educational purpose, how to show you how to hide your folder or anything at all you put in this folder. Nobody can see it except you. And you're going to put it on this leave this at minus, put the minus and read only properties apply to files and folders advanced, and put it on OK, and voila, you're feeding your folder. Nobody can see it except you. And in the next video, I will make a video on how to find the folders you're feeding in case